have a big problem. We need animals for this land. Look how much land we have, but there's no animals.
Mom, it's too hot today. Do you see the sunlight? Can we talk about getting animals in the shade instead?
That's a great idea. Let's go. That's so much better. Okay, guys, what type of animals do you think we should get?
I'm gonna get a zebra and lion! No! Maybe like sheep, goats, chickens, maybe a rooster with the chickens.
Bats! Batman!
Where did you come from, Batman?
Batman!
Where did Batman go? If we're getting bats, let's get rhinos and elephants! Yeah! Yeah! If we only had a good way to make this decision. Beep. If there's only a good way to make this decision.
I have a plan. Batman has a plan.
Welcome to the Animal Game Show.
Hey guys, we came up with a great idea to figure out what kind of animals we're getting for our farm. We have this huge game wheel, and whichever animal it lands on, we're getting for our farm. Let's spin it. Rhino, please, Rhino, please, Rhino.
That was close! Let's go! Let's do it!
Let's go! Okay, I'm going to try to get this thing.
Oh, bats! Oh, bats! Oh, bats! Oh, bats!
What's happening?
Sheep, and they're set up in the field right now, and we're off to the farm store to get them feed, and I'll show you the sheep real quick.
Wanna come say hi?
Everybody's coming over this way. Put it in there. It is repeating. Yep, and that's about all those.
So these are haired Dorper sheep, and so it looks like wool, but this will actually fall out when it warms up. You can kind of see it already falling off over there.
That one has a little skin thing coming out. Man, you're in the trash. Hey, look at the other guy. Ow! Oh my goodness, those things are heavy. He just stepped on my foot. Hey, Daddy, am I allowed to hand feed them? Oh, no, you're not stepping on my foot.
Just hold your fingers open.
Okay. I'm getting my foot.
Oh, hey.
Let's get out of here!
Nope, get in.
Get back in there. All right, here. Well, I'll come in and then I can close this.
You need to lick this food.
You can see sheep are a little more mild-mannered. Oh, hey, no bouncing around. That'll scare them.
I'm gonna get some fun in here. Here, Mommy comes. Hi, Mom. What's
Come on, Sadie. Come on, girl.
this guy back. Come on. Come. What you thinking?
Oh.
I know what you're thinking. Sadie, can you feed them? No. Yeah. Okay, so walk it. I'm getting a cold. Here. Come on.
Hold the gate. Hang on.
Here, wait.
Lock the gate.
Can you let her hold the red thing, Lily? Look.
No. Katie.
There you go. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum.
Wow, that's good stuff.
Sheep, huh? Say num 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 num. What you got? Hey, Scooper. What you do? Whoa! What you doing, Scooper? You got an empty scoop? Are they leaving you? This grass is kind of tall for her. Having some troubles. Circling back around.
I look over next. Okay, that's Princess Ash. Hi, Color. Wait, is that Color? No, that's Beauty. Oh,
Doing her own thing.
We had so much fun making this video. We love our new sheep. Make sure to like, subscribe, and give us a big thumbs up. I have to do more fun work.